Good morning kids, and today ma'am come with new Hindi git. Tomato. You know what is meant by tomato? Tomatoes, which is red in color. I like tomato. Tomatoes. Do you like this? Okay. So let's sing the Hindi git tomato after me. Okay. आहा टमाटर बड़ा मजेदार, एक दिन इसको चूहे ने खाया, बिल्ली को भी मार भगाया। एक दिन इसको चींटी ने खाया, हाथी को भी मार भगाया। खाओ करके टुकड़े चार, आहा टमाटर बड़ा मजेदार। डू यू लाइक दिस? Yes, I know that. Again repeat after me, okay? 2 times you have to do practice. आहा टमाटर बड़ा मजेदार, एक दिन इसको चूहे ने खाया, बिल्ली को भी मार भगाया। एक दिन इसको चींटी ने खाया, हाथी को भी मार भगाया। खाओ करके टुकड़े चार, आहा टमाटर बड़ा मजेदार। So do practice with your parents. See here. Ma'am wrote स्वर अ से आहा। अ से अनार, आ से आम, छोटी से इमली, बड़ी से ईख, छोटा ऊ से उल्लू, बड़ा ऊ से ऊंट, री से ऋषि. When ma'am is doing practice, so you have to look at the board here. Look at my finger. Where ma'am is keeping finger here, look at. You have to look at that particular akshar. See, this akshar is री से ऋषि, ए से एड़ी, आई से ऐनक, ओ से ओखली, औ से औरत, अंग से अंगूठी, आहा से कुछ भी नहीं. Okay. So ma'am taught you this akshar. Which akshar is this? See here. Where ma'am keep the finger? See here. This akshar is badi e se ink. So again ma'am is going to teach you how to write this akshar again. One time we have to do practice here. Again we have to do practice with akshar badi e se ik. So here we have to do practice how to write badi e se ek. Say, ma'am taught you. We have to start from standing line, half circle, another half circle, make a knot and come down with slanting line, sleeping line, and you have to make one cap here. Badi e se ik. Put the cap on the head of choti e se imli and it's become badi e se ik. Okay. See. Standing line, half circle, half circle. You have to make S, capital S like this. Go up, make a knot and come down with slanting line and put the cap here like this. Badi se ink. Standing line. See here how ma'am is writing. Standing line, half deep half circle. Opposite half circle, make a knot and come down with slanting line here and put one cap. Badi se ek. Badi se ek. So for practice, we have another book. Yes. So in this book, Sulekh Mala. In this book, you have to do practice with akshar badi e se ik. Ma'am already taught you how to write badi e se ik, and today again ma'am repeat this with stroke wise. Yes, so you have to do practice here in Sunahare word Sulekh Mala in this book. Okay, so today ma'am is going to teach you how to write स्वर ओ से ओखली. See here. ओ से ओखली, ओ से ओस, ओ से Om. So today we have to practice O say Oakley. So let's see how to write O say Oakley. See here. We have to write in this 3 blue line. Say half circle, and go up. Go up. Sleeping line, standing line. Again one standing line is there, and you have to put the matra. Slant matra. Slant matra, not standing line. Slant matra you have to put here. It's called matra. O say Oakley. See here. Half circle, go up. Sleeping line, standing line, and put the matra. This one is matra. Put the matra here. On second standing line, you have to put the matra, okay? Second standing line, you have to put the matra. See here, on the second standing line, ma'am is putting the matra. See here, like this. Half circle, go up. Sleeping line, standing line, and put the matra on the second line here, like this, slanting. Slant, like this. O say Oakley. O say Os. O say Om. Say half circle, go up. Sleeping line, standing line, and put the matra. Oh, ma'am forgot to put the sleeping line here. First you have to put the sleeping line, then put the matra here. Half circle, go up. Sleeping line, standing line, and again you have to put the sleeping line and put one matra. O say Os. So in this Hindi Swar or Vyanjan, in this book you have to do practice with Akshar O. First you have to trace the Akshar O and try to write Akshar O say Os. Okay? In good handwriting. Goodbye. Have a nice day.